plus 7 equals 15 because you take 2 from the 7 to make it equal 10, and then from the 7 you have 5 left, so then you add the 5 and the 10, which equals 15.
Okay, so did you decompose 7 into 2 and 5? Why did you do that? Wait 1 second. I wonder if you can read his mind. I wonder if you know that answer to that question I just said. Turn to a partner and explain, why did he decompose 7? Danny, who do you think in this room could read your mind? Why did you do it? Who'd you like to pick on? Who'd you want to do? Okay, Ellen, what did you think? Why do you think he decomposed 7 into 2 and 5? What was his thinking?
Because he can make it 10, so it's easier to add the 5 up.
Is that what you were thinking? Okay, so let's do that. So tell me what you did.
That's 10.
Okay, can you tell me the problem that it was?
8 plus 2
Okay.
equals 10.
Okay.
10 plus 5 equals 15.
And where did you get the 5 from?
That's right next to 2.
Is
And
that the-
that's what's left of the 7.
Did you hear what he said? That's what's left of the 7 when he took the 2 away. Nice job. And what is 10 plus 5?
15.
15. Oh, looks like he defended that answer. All right, so let's see if anybody did it a different way. All right, Michaela, did you do it differently? Let me put your initials. Your last name? Okay.
For my answer,
Nice and long.
I knew what 7 plus 7 equals 14, so I just added 1 so it could equal 8, and that equals 15.
So here it was making a 10 strategy. And what strategy did you use here?
I used 2 numbers and add 1 more.
Right, what does it mean? Who thinks they remember? Turn to your partner and tell them, what does it mean when we have the same number? What's that called? All right, I can be right back. I already heard it. I heard doubles. I heard doubles. Is this making a doubles? Is this doubles fact? Okay, good. All right, so we have a doubles fact. So you did 7 plus 7 is 14. But wait a minute. The answer was 15. What happened?
Then you have to add
And then I add 1 more to it, and then
So you did the 14. And where did you get that 1? Where did you get this 1?
because,
You forgot. Do you want help?
She took 1 from the 8 so that she would have the 7, and she had that 1 extra, so she added it from the 14 and she got 15.
Okay, good job. Okay, looks like we have the same answer. Good job. All right. Hey, let's try something different this time. Let's have everybody, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and everybody say what they think the sum is all at the same time. You think we can do that?
Yeah.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
25!
Oh my goodness. I don't think I heard anything else. Does anybody have a different answer than 25? What do you think?
24.
24. So now we're going to have to figure out. Anybody have a different answer? Ian.
20 is
26. Okay. Wow. Are these numbers all very close together?
Yeah.
They are. So let's see who this time would like to defend their solution. Let's see if somebody did it a different way. Okay, Celine.
I knew because we already did 8 plus 7, because there's a 7 and an 8, I did it for 15,
Okay.
and then
But I have a question for you, Celine. Last time we did 8 plus 7. This one, 7 plus 8, you told me that you already did it, so you knew that was 15. Turn to your partner. Is she right? Are these the same? Turn to your partner.
I know, you just
Okay, then come on back. Come on back. Who can tell me? Who can tell me if these are the same? Okay, Cameron, what do you think?
and they are the same.
They're turnaround facts. Okay, is 8 plus 7 the same as 7 plus 8?
Yeah.
Can we switch the order when we add numbers?
Yeah, but you have to add 1 more 10 to the 7.
Oh, because of the 17. Yeah, we're not done yet, right? We have to finish the problem. I was just wondering about this part. Okay, good. Now, I want to tell you another name for turnaround. when all we do is switch the order, it's something called the commutative property. Commutative property. Try it. Commutative property. Let's try it again. Commutative property. Good. That means we can switch the order, right? And it doesn't make any. Right, so 7 plus 8 was what?
15.
Okay. And then what did you do?
And then I put 10 more, and then I made it 25.
So tell me what you do. You said you had 10 more. So you went 10.
20.
Right, but what did you add 10 to?
10. I mean 15.
Okay, 10 plus. Where did you get that 10? Where did this come from?
Because it's from the 17. Because the 7 just has an extra 1, and because I didn't use the 1 for 7 plus 8, I just left it out, and then I put 10.
But I'm confused. You just told me you had an extra 1, but here you wrote down 10. I think you need to turn to a partner. Turn to a partner and tell them why, when it was a 1, she made it extra. Ian, what do you think? Ian, why did you? Oh, you guys are. All right, who would like to explain to me? I see a 1, but then she told me to write down 10. I'm confused. Who can tell me why? Ed.
She meant 10.
And why did she mean 10? Tell me about 17. What do you know about 17?
Because 7 plus 10 equals 17.
Oh, so this isn't 1? It's a 10 and a 7? How many people agree? Do you agree? But that's a place value. This time I'm going to turn around and you can just tell me what do you think the sum of 13 plus 7? Just tell me. Tell it out.
30. 30.
Right, Tess, what were you thinking?
I decomposed the 17 into 10 and 7.
Did you hear her words? Did you hear that? Say it again. Say it again. It's cool.
I decomposed 17 into 10 and 7.
All right, let's have Addie. Can you repeat what she just said?
I decomposed
17.
17 into 7.
Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
And I added the 7 to the 13
Okay, so you did this with this.
and made it 20. And then I only had 10 left, so I added 20 plus 10 and got 30.
Nice. So what was your strategy? What was your strategy? What would you call this? Yeah, you kind of made a 10 with the 7 and 3, right? Or we kind of call it going to a friendlier number or a landmark number. Nice job. Okay, we need another way. Evan, did I call you yet? No. Okay, all right. Evan.
I divided the 17 into 10 and 7.
Okay, so you're starting out just like Ed.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
And I divided the 13 into 10 and 3.
Did everyone see what he did? He decomposed both numbers. Now what do you think?
I put the 10 into 10.
You did 10 plus 10
Yeah.
equals
20.
20.
And then the 3 plus 7.
So we did the, okay.
10 plus 20 equals 30.
Okay, good. So the 20 plus 10 equals 30. So here we decompose one of the numbers. It kind of made a friendlier landmark number. And here you decompose both. And you just make it a 10, right? Good job. Let's look at these 3 ways. This we'll call number 1. And this we'll call number 2. And this we'll call number 3. One thing great about hearing each other's strategies is you might learn from somebody else. So, like, this is Tessa's strategy. But once she sees other people's strategies, she might say, you know what? I think I might want to try that other strategy someday. Okay? Because we want to get to being efficient. Oh, looking at 1, 2, or 3, look carefully. This one decomposed one number, made a friendly. This one decomposed both numbers. And this one took a look at place value. Okay. With your fingers, if you feel like 1 would be the most efficient for you, put up a 1. If you think 2 would be most efficient for you, put up a 2. If you think 3 would be most efficient for you, put up a 3. Let's see what you're thinking.